Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make Goan red chicken curry with potatoes. It's a simple and easy Goan delicacy. This is my son's favorite, so he requested to make this curry. So thought of sharing with you all also. This goes very well with pulao, Goan parboiled rice, or even with Goan pao. So let's get started. So in order to make this, I've taken 1 kg of chicken with bones, medium cut, added salt, mix well and leave it on the side. So let's start preparing the ingredients. I've taken one potato medium size, cut in small dice or medium cubes. I've taken two medium size onion, chop them fine. So in order to make this, your mise en place is very important. So keep all the ingredients ready as shown. Once you cut the onion, keep them aside and start cutting one tomato. I've taken red, remove the seed as well as shown, chop fine and keep it on the side. So once you cut the tomato, keep it aside. I've taken two green chilli, slit it and cut by two. So in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it is hot, add onions in order to saute. So on a medium flame, keep stirring it till it becomes golden brown in color. So meanwhile, for red masala, take a blender, add 4 Kashmiri chillies, add 3 Goan spicy red chili I've used. If you don't have, you can use even bedgi chilies. Tamarind I've used, a small lemon size. Cinnamon I've taken 1.5 inch. Cardamom 3, clove 6, peppercorn 20, ginger 1.5 inch, and garlic is 1 pot. 1 teaspoon of cumin whole and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I've used toddy vinegar. Add sufficient amount of water in order to make a fine paste. So as our onion you see is getting ready, you have to keep stirring it so it get color evenly. Add tomato once onion is ready. Once tomato, you have to stir it for at least 2 minutes. Add chilies. Stir it for 1 minute at least. Now add chicken and saute well. On a medium flame, it should not get stuck at the bottom. Keeping that in mind, keep stirring it. Once the chicken is 40% ready, add potatoes. Add sufficient amount of water in order to get the potatoes cooked. But keep in mind that we have to cook the potatoes for 60%. Cover it and keep it. Meanwhile, keep stirring it so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Check the potatoes. It's already done 60%. Now it's time to add the masala. Pass water in the blender jar. Mix well. Check the consistency and add more water to that. Now at this time you have to check the seasoning as well. Check for salt. If you need more salt, you can adjust and check the gravy consistency. Now cover it and cook for at least till the chicken is well cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Guys, this is a very simple recipe. This whole process takes only about 30 to 40 minutes. If you have all the ingredients ready, do try and let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Check the gravy. Because of the smoke, it couldn't catch the color. This is very bright in color. And try to make this recipe. You will all enjoy this. This is simple chicken curry and very delicious. You all will love this. Our chicken is already ready and also potatoes are well cooked. Check this lovely curry. This is how you make chicken curry with potatoes, red chicken curry with potatoes. Guys, thanks for watching. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and God bless you all. Thank you very much.